Hello everyone. Let us now discuss the question number 3423, maximum difference between adjacent elements in a circular array. So we need to find out the maximum difference between the adjacent elements, absolute difference. So the first and last elements are adjacent in a circular array. So let us go through the example which is given in the question 1 and 2. If I get the absolute difference between them, I'll get 1 as the difference. So let us write maximum difference as 0. So till now it is 0, now it is 1. And the difference between 2 and 4, the absolute will be 2. Now let me change it to 2. So I'll initialize it to maxi. Now maxi. So here 1 and 4. If I take this first and last as the given are adjacent, I need to consider that 2. 1 and 4, the difference between it is 3 and it is greater than 2. So let me change it to 3. So we will return 3 as our answer for this example. Now let us see the second example, minus 5, minus 10 and minus 5. If I take the difference between minus 5 and minus 10, let me take the absolute difference. Minus 10 minus of minus 5. It will give me, wait a second, it will give me minus 10 plus 5. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5. The mod of minus 5 will be 5 itself. So here, now the second thing which I want to do is, which I need to do is minus 10 and 5. Here I'll take the same. Now mod of minus 5 minus of minus 10. Now minus 5 plus 10, minus 5 plus 10, then 10 minus 5 will be 5 and here it is 5 itself. And let me take another one, the first and last, minus 5 and minus 5. So mod of minus 5 minus of minus 5, it will give me 5, 5 minus 5 plus 5, it is 0. Now the maximum that I got till here is 5. So I will return 5 as the answer. So here it is 5. So the thing is, instead of making 0 as maxi or initializing the maxi as 0, for my convenience I will initialize it to minus infinity or the limit of minimum int min, minimum element of int. So that's how I approach this problem, and every time I get the difference I will change or check my maxi. If it is greater, then I will change. So now int maxi is equal to int min, int min, and n is size of nums. After that, int I is equal to 0. Let me iterate. I is less than n, I plus plus. So I cannot iterate from the beginning, right? I will start from 1 and get the absolute difference between the current element and the previous element. Now int difference is equal to absolute difference of nums of I minus nums of I minus 1. After that, if max c is less than the difference, then it will be changed to the difference. So we will get the maximum of max c and the difference. But as I said, the first and the last element, the first and last elements are also need to be considered. So max c is maximum difference of max c comma, absolute difference of nums of n minus 1, the last element, and nums of 0. That's it. After that, return maxi. Now, the absolute difference of last element and the first element, we have took that, and we have took all the elements which are adjacent. That's it. Sorry. Different. Yes. So, if you like this video, share to your friends, and I have also uploaded previous contest solutions, so you can go and check those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.